Here's an idea about growing your business. Hire a real estate agent. Hire a real estate agent as a growth agent. I know of a large company that does this, and it's very successful. Agents love part-time work, hourly work, commission work, flexible hours, and to work from home. And they know a ton of other agents. They know how to talk to agents. They're already great communicators, which is an essential characteristic of this type of employee for your business. So try it. Start a conversation with an agent. Maybe you do a free home inspection for your neighbor and someone in the house is a real estate agent. Research shows that most agents are not selling any houses. 90% of agents don't sell any houses. Maybe your agent, neighbor, would be interested in doing a little work for you. Have them secure top, mid-top, or middle producing agents for referrals. Pay this growth agent hourly with a bonus for securing a producing agent. That's an agent that sells a house every month or two. Tell the acquired referring agent that you'll do a free radon inspection for every 5 referrals, a free home inspection for every 10 referrals. Every 3 referrals, a bottle of sparkling wine or water for the home buying client. For every inspection, bring a small candy gift. Think about growing your business by utilizing a resource that is in your neighborhood. I bet you already know a real estate agent who isn't very busy right now. What about making a deal with that agent to help grow your business? And then when you have a network of agents, you want to nurture them. When you have a network of real estate agents, you want to go into that list and fire the bad ones. Identify top producing agents and clients, and then remove all of your small time weak agents. And to do that, you got to go into your data, like in your report writing data or your consumer data or your scheduling data, and categorize each agent by the number of referred jobs, or better yet, by revenue, and remove the dead agents. You'll likely find that 20% of your agents are referring clients who provide 80% of your revenue. You'll find that 20% of your agents are referring clients who provide 80% of your revenue. So focus your attention on the top clients and their agents. Nurture and protect them. Keep in contact with all of your past clients and their agents, because they're all talking about you. They're your ambassadors. Follow up with them. Keep in touch. Your client and agent database is like your own gold mine that keeps producing gold nuggets, where the nuggets are referrals. Find out what real estate agents want more than anything else from a great inspection experience or inspection company. Talk to them. Assume that they have their favorite inspection company, and maybe ask them, do they know anyone in their office or network who's interested in ... and you fill in the blank with your unique value proposition. Give them what they need, then replicate that same service for as many of the same types of top clients and agents as possible. That's how you grow. And where are the agents? Realtor.com and Zillow.com. If you go to Realtor.com, it's pretty easy to find agents in your area. Go to Realtor.com and then find realtors. Click the button, the zip code, 304, that's Boulder, Colorado. Do a search, and there's the agents, realtors, agents in that zip code. And you can use the download, you can scroll down and filter. You can filter the list. Maybe you filter it by highest ratings, or most recommendations, or most for sale listings, or sold listings. So these people have sold the most. So Karen in this zip code is a realtor. She sold almost 300. And the activity range is 105,000 to 8 million, right? Pretty cool. There's really good data. You can find the top producing agents here using this filter. And you can hire your growth agent to contact this list. Zillow has the same thing.